Good evening and good afternoon, my dear students and all of audience. So, students, this is Virendra Mohan. I am giving you the chapter summary, CBSE class 12th, chapter number 4, The Enemy, from my YouTube channel, Unique Concept Classes. So students, in the series of that, I have given number of chapters summary and their question answer explanation. In the series of this, I am giving you today chapter number 4, The Enemy. This chapter is by Perles Buck. So author in this chapter, Perles Buck, has described the major character of person between two countries, America and Japan. So students, in America and Japan, it was World War. During the World War, when America and Japan, they were also fighting. War was going on there, and everybody know very well that America threw nuclear bomb over Japan. And the two main city of Japan, that was fully destroyed, like Hiroshima and Nagasaki. When this city was affected by the nuclear bomb, those are getting burned today. Those are getting burned today, even they are disabled. So during this time, the story started between America and Japan. There was a boy named Dr. Sadao Hoki. Sadao Hoki, who was 22 years old boy, and his father. They were Japanese. When Dr. Sadao Hoki went to America at the age of 22, his father had a great belief that he will send to his child to America for studying of surgeon and medicine. He had great intention to this. At the age of 22, he sent to his child to America for studying of surgeon and medicine. When he went there, he stayed there 8 years. Within 8 years, he got the degree of medicine and he studied there surgery and science. When he was studying there, he found a girl there. That name was Hannah. There was a professor named Professor Harley in America. Professor Harley and his wife liked the most to the foreign children for teaching them and treating them. When Professor Harley, he invited to all foreign students at their home for some important occasion. Dr. Sadao Hoki was not in mind of going there because he knew this very well that the professor had one very small room and his wife cooked very bad food. So he was not in the intention of going at the home of the professor. Even all, he decided and went there. When he went there, he found a very new girl of American professor. When he saw to the girl named Hannah. When he saw the girl named Hannah, he wanted to propose that girl. He fell in love. He fell in love with that girl, but he wanted to propose her. But he knew very well that his father will not accept as long as he will not clear that girl is also belong from Japan. If that girl belong until he will not clear it, that is girl is also Japanese, so he will not also propose her. He found at the home of the professor to girl and he fall in love with that girl. When he cleared and he confirmed that girl also from Japan and she is Japanese, he proposed her. And after 8 years, at the age of 30, when Dr. Sadao Hoki returned his home town in Japan, his father found that girl and he was very happy and his father got them married. Now Hannah and Dr. Sadao Hoki got married. They were spending their life. After some years his father died, and they were spending their life very happily. The house of Dr. Sadao Hoki was near the seashore in Japan. When one day they were also living at their home, and it was winter season, and they found that the fog was surrounding everywhere toward the sky, from the sky toward the seashore, and everywhere it was covering, getting everywhere. So Dr. Sadao was watching from his veranda and watching toward the seashore. While he was watching, he was considering everything, that it was getting dark. Slowly, fog and mist started to come in the house of Dr. Sadao Hoki. At the time, Dr. Sadao Hoki's wife gave the birth of 2 children. When he opened the door, he found that his wife was waiting for Dr. Sadao Hoki. And she also met to Dr. Sadao Hoki, and Sadao was telling the story of his past when he was living there in America and what did he face, the challenge of there. So while he was explaining everything at the time of that, Dr. Sadao Hoki and Hana, they were also affectionately, they were also finding and touching each other, and they described their past stories as they were living there and the custom of their father, their father. What was the belief of his father about him, that he said that if I will not get you, or I did not get you there, to then whom will I get married? But it is the fortunate moment for us that I got you at the home of professor, and at last I cleared that you are the Japanese, then I got married. So students, after that, they also decided everything. While they were watching from their home during the winter season, it was mist and fog everywhere. They thought that they found their image far from their home. There was a village of boatmen from 1 or 2 miles away from the seashore. He found that there was an image of a man who was also leaning and moving or crawling with the help of his knees and bones and trying to move forward, but he was unable and falling on the ground. While he was falling on the ground, he tried many times, but he was unable to move. At last he also fell, and his body half face sank into the sand. They decided many times and went there. When they went there, they went and tried to check it. While they went there and they tried to check it, that whether what happened to him, Dr. Sadao Hoki and Hana, they moved from their veranda and they found there and went closer to the man. When they went closer to the man, the body of the man was also sank into the sand and half remained, and it was wounded. That man also wore very bad cloth, rag cloth, and it was red cloth, and they were also concealing the man. That man was not recognized. So they tried to recognize the man, but while they were trying to recognize the man, that was unable, because everywhere it also wounded the man. When it was wounded the man, he was considering. Hana covered the body of the man and found that that man was stained in blood still. And the sea moss covered his bite, and it pierced his wound, and it was bleeding when they were touching. So students, after all that, Hana and Dr. Sadao Hoki decided to carry the man at their home. But they knew that at their home there were living many servants, and they were working, and they believed that. First, Dr. Sadao Hoki thought about the one idea. This is when they cleared their height and found that on the height of that there were written in bold letter, American Navy. He thought that this man is the enemy of our, so we must be also throw it to the sea. If another next moment he thought that if we can also throw it, or we can also carry it at their home, at our home, then it is the just opposite of our country, and the military general of the country, he will also punish us. At last he thought that, third thought he thought, that if it is the responsibility of our to be a doctor, to being a doctor, we must be treated to this man. At last he heard the sound of his internal soul, and the man who listened the sound of his internal soul, he carried the man at his home. Dr. Sadao Hoki and Hana carried the man at their home, He also kept the man there where he kept the man where there was only his father room. In his father room, when his father died, that room was vacant for many years. Nobody was using the room, and they also carried the man and lied down man on the floor. While they lied down on the man on the floor, see, Dr. Sadao Hockey said that called the servant, and they also washed the wound of the man, and there was written in gold letter also on the cloth of the man, American soldier Tom, American Navy Tom. So it was seen that the man or the soldier was approximately 17 years old boy, and when they carried and said to call to the servant, Hannah called Yuri. Yuri was a servant of Dr. Sadao Hockey, who was working for many years. She was living there and taking care of Dr. Sadao Hockey's at his home for many years. At the time of that, when Dr. Sadao Hockey ordered to Hannah that called servant, she knew that they will not work. Yuri came. When Yumi came, she found that this man is from American soldier. She denied not to do any work. And when she denied, Dr. Sadao Hockey found to Hannah, and Hannah decided to take care of the help of her husband. She carried warm water and a towel and washed the wound of the man. While she was washing the wound of man, it was bleeding because in the back of the man also shot the bullet. So she washed everything. She was not in mind of washing the wound of the man. Even she decided to help of her husband, being a wife of the man. So she decided anyhow she cleaned or she washed out the wound of the man, and the man was now in unconscious when Dr. Sadao Hockey came and she took his operation instrument and he operated and pulled out the bullet from his body. When he pushed out the bullet from his body, now after 2-3 days continuously, the man also came in conscious, and when he was to the doctor, Sadao Hockey asked that what are you going to do with me? Perhaps you are also going to handle over to me to your country general. So he said that he didn't say. Dr. Sadao Hockey did not say anything. After some days, all the servant of Dr. Sadao Hockey, they gave up to him and they went from there. When they were going, doctor, being a good lady, housewife, Hannah said thanks for them to cooperate her for many years, many months. So she gave the salary of the years and everybody went from there. After all that, when they went from there, Dr. Sadao Hockey and Hannah, day by day also making practice exercise to the man got well after some day. When the man got well after some day, now there was a general who was ill for many months. He knew that there is only one man who can operate to the General Takima. He needed too much to Dr. Sadao Hockey, so he listened that Dr. Sadao Hockey kept any enemy at his home and treating that man. So see, he called Dr. Sadao Hockey at his home. Dr. Sadao Hockey went and he said that I will send some assassin, like hired killer, at your home to kill that American soldier. He agreed and went at his home and said that I will wait for 2 days. If within 2 days if you will send, then you can also kill. This secret he did not tell to his wife, whatever general said to Dr. Sadao. So he kept this secret hidden to his wife, and when he came back at his home and he said to the American soldier, now you will go back to your home. At evening, he also managed for everything, for food materials and cloth and everything, water kept, and said that I will also, you need to go through the ship. He went and sat in ship and gave 2 flashlight. When he gave 2 flashlight and said that if you will also any want of anything, you need to be also light up 2 flashlight. I will get it that you have something want of anything. So after all that, he went and he did not also light his flashlight. Dr. Sadao Hockey did, and when he went from there, he reminded that while he was living in America, and he was memorizing everything what happened with him to there. So he did of his work, whatever the responsibility of the doctor. So he also did according to the professor. Professor said to Dr. Sadao that if you are also able to do anything, operate any person, if you are not operating, then you are not a human being. Because of that, Dr. Sadao operated to the man, and the man also went from their country and from his country, and the story is that about narrated is in this chapter, The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. Even all I am telling, if you have any problem to understand, you need to come.